So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money, there is a new app called Survey Junkie. I'm gonna leave a link down below. It's 100% free. You actually make money. You can cash out for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, or just get money sent directly to your PayPal account, simply for filling out surveys. If you're bored, have some extra time, and you want to pay for your gas or for your groceries. If you want some money, check out Survey Junkie. It's really cool, really easy. It's very they've been around for like 10 years. I know it said it's new, but sorry, I misspoke. They've been around for 10 years. They're awesome. Go check them out. Use my link in the description down below. Now let's get on to the video. Alright, what's up guys? How's it going? Welcome back to my channel, the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan, blah, blah, blah. Nice to meet you guys. So I just wanted to make this video really quick and just tell you guys that the EIDL, or the SBA, the Small Business Administration, contacted me about the EIDL. So I don't know if you guys have received your EIDL yet, or if you know what the EIDL is. It's the Economic Injury Disaster Loan in order to help small businesses. It was a completely 100% forgivable loan. So it's basically a grant of up to $10,000, which people said would be dumb if you didn't apply for it. And then the IRS kind of said, I think they announced that it was only gonna be $1,000 each per employee or something, but regardless, I applied at the very beginning when they were saying that it's 10 grand. So I got the SBA contacted me back, so I'm gonna show you guys what they said. But just a little background on me. I actually do have a business. I talked to my buddy, George Asmar. He's been on the channel before. He actually doesn't even have a business account. He just did it through his social security card, like his normal account, and he got the money. He got $1,000. I have a business account, so I have an LLC I established, so I have all my earnings come into a business, and then I'm an employee of my own business. That's how I got the Paycheck Protection Program loan of $5 grand, because I have a business set up, and I think that's it was easier because I have a business account. But the EIDL should be, and I think the PPP could also be for other people too, even if you don't have a business account, but I think it's just easier if you do. Anyways, so he got the money, he got the $1,000. I haven't yet received the money, but I did get an email, so I just wanted to share it with you guys. Again, I'm an Uber driver, a Lyft driver. I work for gig apps. I also do YouTube, TikTok. I have a bunch of stuff, and I just have it all, tied up into my LLC pretty much. But yeah, let me just see if I can show you the email that I got. This is it. Important information from Small Business Administration, SBA, your EIDL application. This was actually on May 2nd, so yeah, about 3 weeks ago, depending on when I upload this. Dear applicant, we understand the challenges your business is facing due to the massive disruption caused by the coronavirus pandemic. You are receiving this message as a notification that your Economic Injury Disaster Loan application is currently being processed in the order it was received. So first come, first serve kind of lingo here. You will receive an email notification when there is a change to your application status. So I haven't yet received an email, so my application is still getting processed, I guess. Without question, COVID-19 has caused an extraordinary impact on our nation's small businesses, and the demand for emergency working capital provided by the EIDL program is at historic levels. The SBA is processing applications from small businesses and private nonprofit organizations across the country as quickly as possible. We thank you for your patience and understanding as we work to assist as many applicants as possible. Additional information on available resources to assist your business during the effects of COVID-19 may be found online at sba.gov/coronavirus. We can check this out really quick. So, yeah, I mean, there's a whole bunch of stuff here. I mean, you guys can go to that link too. I'm not going to go over the whole thing. sba.gov/coronavirus. So I just wanted to inform you, I applied really early on. Yeah, it was in March, I think in March or April, early April, if anything. Probably early April, got this email 5/2. I'm gonna update you guys when I receive another response. As of yet, I have received no money. So let me know if you've received money, what your application status is, and yeah, that's about it. Yeah, this is the only thing I'm counting on, EIDL, and then I also received PVP already. I'm not getting unemployment benefits because again, I am an employee of my own company and I'm still getting a paycheck. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to y'all soon. Have a great day. Bye.